This is OPPO Reno12 F, and today I'll show how you can fix the Wi-Fi connectivity issues on this smartphone. So in the beginning, launch your device's settings, enter the Wi-Fi category, and try switching the Wi-Fi feature off and on. Then you can also try forgetting the network you're currently connected to while experiencing those problems. So try forgetting the network in question and then reconnecting to the very same Wi-Fi network to see if it will get you anywhere. If that didn't help, you may want to make sure that your time and date are set correctly, or that your date and time are properly synchronized, since if they are not, you will not be able to access the internet services. So the way you do that is, once again, launch your device's settings, go into the additional settings category, date and time, and here turn on the set time automatically and set time zone automatically functions. And then the final troubleshooting method that I would recommend is that you reset your network settings altogether. And well, once again, you will need to enter the additional settings category of your device's settings app. Then here go for the backup and reset, reset phone, reset network and Bluetooth settings, then confirm, and well, that'll be it. Here you have it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.